Do you know your real you? Are you true to your friend? Or are you wearing a mask to cover yourself? And why it is not Halloween yet? I'm sure you want to know your real nature, the true you. And for that, you want to know but what makes you passionate and what makes your heart beat. People tell me, oh, Glenn, you are so lucky you found your passion. It's true. I found palmistry that I love, and I love helping people. But I work hard on it. And I had many tests and difficulties, and oh boy. But each time those tests was shaping my conviction or shaking my willpower. So I am sure you want to know, but what is making your heart beat and what is your passion? So I'm going to ask you one question. Are you ready? I mean, really ready. Ready to go inside, deep, ready to face your anxiety, your insecurity, your fear. Because this is what we're going to face when we face our passion. And also, I'm going to ask you, are you willing to accept the challenge? This is what we do with the challenge of the lifeline. So if you want to join, it's still the time. You can still be with the gang and have a lot of fun. Because you know what? Our true nature is really beautiful. Our true nature want to play and have fun. And our true nature is really full of energy and enthusiasm and full of life and love. Oh, my lift is here. Oh my God. Hey! No, come back. Come back. You forgot me. 1 minute. Happy Halloween to everybody. Here I go. Here we go.